wow! You look gorgeous and the outfits, oh my gosh, both of you look amazing. I feel like I'm in the presence of celebrities. Grabe. Talagang ika nga ng mga bata, giving fabulous. Alright, let's have a, wow. Our best dressed couple. Let's give them a warm round of applause. Malakas po. Ayan, grabe yung mga energy. Gusto ko yan. Alright, maraming salamat po. Congratulations. I love the glittery outfit.
O sige, sino yung seafarer dito? Pakilala ka naman.
A woman who is brave enough to conquer the seven seas. Standing in front of you is Second Officer Maribel Sinihan with my fiancé Ralph Nino.
Oh my gosh, I love it!
Invited daw tayo sa kasal nila next year.
Napakagaling naman. Palakpakan po natin sila mga kaibigan. Do you like their outfit? Yes, of course. And the next best dress when it comes to, here we go, the winner.